Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar again, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar again, I still think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pattern. Now, this could possibly be a top right here. I mean, like I've been saying for weeks now, but I actually think because of looking at all correlated yen pairs and because of the dollar also, I think this is going to go up. I think it is probably going to take out these highs before we get a bigger move to the downside. Then taking it down to the weekly time frame. One thing you really have to notice about the weekly is, yeah, it definitely did make a strong move down, but it never broke any structure to the downside. Never told us that the uptrend was complete. And then it turned at a fib level, and now it looks like it's continuing back up. I think this little push down is a correction to the uptrend, and I definitely would be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 day time frame. On the 1 day, I mean, this move down was very, very strong, as you can see, but I think it was clearly a motive wave correction. I think that right there was the end of that motive wave correction. I think this push down right here is a correction to this move up. It could even be like a wave one and a wave two. And I think that this will end the correction eventually, which it may have already done, and it probably is going to keep on going up, making a wave three and eventually taking out these previous highs. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last series of higher highs, higher lows, which is very, very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So most likely we are now making a correction to the last 5 waves up. To me, it looks like impulsive down, breaker structure, corrective up. And it does kind of have a 3 wave down pattern, so maybe it will pop down one more time. But I do believe that this is going to continue the uptrend. Kind of looks like it could continue to respect this 50% Fibonacci level. So, like I said, I am definitely primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, kind of already looks like it's trying to end the correction. I mean, we have impulsive up, we have corrective down, we got a 61% Fibonacci bounce. We have to keep an eye on this because, I mean, it does kind of look like on the 4 hour that it could possibly go down one more time, especially because this looks like 1, 2, 3 waves. But I kind of feel like we possibly may have the end of a correction already. And this possibly could just keep on trending up. Like I said, I am definitely looking for longs, but I do expect that we could get one more push down before we actually get the real push up. So if it does make 3 waves up, like an A, B, and a C, and then makes an engulfing move to the downside, then I would definitely get out of my longs, potentially go short, but you probably would be a pretty short-lived short because the trade that we really should be looking for is longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.